from GATE 2021 Fluid Mechanics for 1 mark only. Consider a steady flow of an incompressible Newtonian fluid through a smooth circular pipe. Let alpha laminar, alpha turbulent denote the kinetic energy correction factor for laminar and turbulent flow through the pipe respectively. For turbulent flow through the pipe, we have given this equation where V is the average velocity, V naught is the center line velocity. Remember this, it is a center line velocity, and N is a parameter. The ratio of average velocity to the center line velocity for turbulent flow through the pipe is given by this equation. For N is equal to 7, the value of alpha turbulent to alpha laminar, we need to calculate this ratio. Remember, this question is only for 1 marks. It looking like very tough, but it is very easy questions. You just need this type of question generally based on the memory based questions, right? You just need one thing to solve these questions. So let's start with the solution. We have given this equation, V upon V naught is equal to 2n square, and we also given that n is equal to 7. If we put this n is equal to 7 in this equation, then we will get V upon V naught. And if we know V upon V naught, we will convert it V naught upon V, since we have given another equation in terms of V naught upon V, from where we can calculate alpha turbulent. See here, V naught upon V to the cube into n, and we know very well, so we just need to calculate V naught over V. So we will put V naught over V into the given equation. So alpha turbulent, we will get V naught upon V to the cube, putting the values alpha turbulent is equal to 1.224 to the cube into this. From this we will get alpha turbulent is equal to 1.0571, right? And for laminar flow, we know very well alpha laminar is equal to 2. If you know the correction factor for laminar flow, it is always 2. Generally it is taken as 2. You can read it in McCabe-Smith or other books, they have given alpha laminar is equal to 2. Generally alpha turbulent we take 1. If you remember, alpha turbulent we take 1. You can easily calculate from the remember of this thing, like one, if we know alpha turbulent, we know alpha laminar, we just guess the answer 1/2 and we will get the answer 0.5. But it is not the correct way, since they have given some correlations, some relations, so we will calculate alpha turbulent. Actually alpha turbulent is not equal to 1, it is 1.0 something can be. So they have given just L to calculate alpha turbulent, and we should we should remember this alpha laminar is equal to 2. So from this you can calculate alpha turbulent upon alpha laminar. From this you will get the answer alpha turbulent upon alpha laminar is 0.528, or I have rounded off is 0.53. You just need you not need to round it off it, since if you put this answer 0.52, since they have asked the question answer in decimal up to 2 decimal places, right? So we will calculate only we can put the answer is 0.52, right? If you put 0.53, it is also correct, since they have given the range from 0.5 to 0.4. so the as per official answer keys, the given answer is 0.53. So it is very easy question, so please don't be afraid to see this type of question. If they have asked for 1 mark only, then you can go and you can go with the easy way, right? If you please don't be afraid this type of questions, and just try to solve this question. These questions only take 1 minute or 2 minutes if you remember this concept, right? So thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. From this channel you will get all solutions from GATE from 2021 to 2000. So please like, share and subscribe, so that you will get all answers and all solutions, all question paper and all solutions from this channel only. You not need to spend money on this type of solutions, right? You will get the correct you will get from here the correct answers, right? So thank you.